monster. Come close, you can feel me getting stronger. Like sheep getting led to the slaughter. The bell tolls 3 times, then I gotcha. Step into my domain at your own risk. Show me you're not afraid, stay focused. No, this is not a game or some old man. Say my name, fighting me is hopeless. You should